Namaste. Today I am going to talk about a very important prashna which is called as the Kavadi Prashna. The Kavadi Prashna means using the kauris to know the divine will. Sometimes what happens, the astrologer is not able to understand the will of the divine. There seems to be some kind of a restriction and a block. Therefore, this Kavadi Prashna is done across to get a proper divine guidance. It is done in 4 steps. First, the Sankalpa is taken and the Devata, the puja is done. Normally for a guru, the puja is done. The second one is automatically we take the chart and we draw the lines and the position of the planet is put. You can see the light and the agarbatti and the chandan and everything is kept. Then the kauris are taken like this. There are totally 12 kauris which represents the 12 point of the horoscope. So it is shaped very well and it is cast across. Now once this is cast across, the thing is counted from the sun and the entire thing is being read across. The entire prashna is read across. Who all can take this prashna? People who don't have horoscope can take this prashna. People whose birth timing is a problem can take this prashna. People who have not found the answers, one who wants remedial measure, can take this prashna. And also people who want to, have tried other remedies and it has not worked and they want a proper divine guidance, they can use this. The other important person who can use this prashna is, you want to see the progress about how much your remedy is gone, that also can be used to see this prashna. Now this is a very, very important Kerala type of astrology which is promoted across. Of course, there are 3 prashnam in this: Daiva Prashnam, Ashtamangala Prashnam, and also the normal prashna. All these 3 prashnas is valid, but Ashtamangala Prashna, the way we do it, there is a puja which is done, and in certain cases the homam also will be done, and the entire thing is ritualistically done slowly to bring down the divine energy and to guide the people. So therefore, if you don't have horoscope, if your birth timing is problem, you want remedies, you want solution, not from the conventional one, please do apply for this prashna. It will take time, we will fix the time and then we will call you for the particular prashna. And it is a one of a kind. Not many people do this kind of reading across to people. This we are telling it to you so that you can utilize our services. Thank you.